Hi everyone, my name is Chrizel and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. So today I get my parcels freshly delivered here at home and I am extremely excited to film unboxing my first ever 14-inch MacBook Pro with M1 Pro chip. I can't wait to show this all to you. So this is how it looks like. They have this tab here in which I can just, slip it. Oh my god, okay. Oh my god, it looks so good. Wow, oh no. This reminds me of an onigiri here in Japan. If you have gone to places like convenience store and you get the onigiri, they all have those top with corresponding numbers and which to open first. It's a challenging one to open an onigiri. Oh, okay. So let me remove this box. I think I don't need that. This is one. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Wow. Oh my god, I love the color. Why I went having this laptop is basically I want to improve my editing skills, and I believe this is the device that you get when you want something specific. So it has a lot of those tools and softwares upgraded, which is very necessary for editing. So this is how it looks like when you take this all out from the box. I think it is meant to rip it. Oh my god. I'm gonna open now. And ta-da! Oh my gosh. Now it's loading. Oh, it's just really so beautiful. Hello, yes. They have been talking like a lot of those techy person who are just really experts about MacBook, that they're just so really happy that the ports are back. These are all the ports here. And yep. And wow, look at all of those. Here too, and they have this rubber here. I think this is very helpful, and all this rubber, 4 sides of rubber, and my god, look at it. It has the MacBook Pro engraved at the back. This really looks special. The most thing that really convinced me why I went having a MacBook Pro, it's because of the special features and tools that is people have been wanting and waiting for so long.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
And I also purchased a Final Cut Pro. It's the editing software and it cost around, I think, $300. and it's a one-time purchase, which I really love about it because you don't have to worry for every month. There's sometimes they have this annual fees. I think that is a really good price. I upgraded this into 1 terabyte, and I also avail an Apple Care. I think that is around $200. Oh my god, I forgot the price about it. But yeah, for the total cost of this laptop, I think I spent around more than $3,000, and which is really like worth it. I think this could last for like 10 years. I also got a Magic Mouse. They were ordered together, and this came first, and I waited for the time that my MacBook Pro is also delivered to unbox it all together. Yes, I get my Magic Mouse, my new Magic Mouse. And thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to play around with this new laptop. So I am now trying my best to edit here. I'm not so sure about it, but I'm just, try to navigate all of this editing tools here because I really find it great.